We're filming a cooking show.
That's true.
Michael. Hey everyone on YouTube. Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Ryan Sobieski. And today, we are cooking
Hot dogs!
Yeah. Hot dogs.
Oh yeah, what are these? Who would have known? Clank!
Time to make some dogs. Our first step that we're thinking should be the chili. Homemade
Chili.
Never like your mom.
Homemade chili, right from the can. Hormel chili since 1891, baby.
Doing some, I'm sure as fuck it's gonna be pretty good. What do we have here, bud?
Ballparks.
Ballpark Franks. Unfortunately, we have to go outside. We live in New York, upstate, and we have to freaking go outside. Here's Christina. Grill shit. The grill.
0 to 100.
0 to 100 what, dude?
Michael!
Sauerkraut's Part 2, Christina.
She's a new character on our show.
Welcome to True Productions, Christina. Smells like I want that all over my hot dogs. All over.
Kind of just stopped going to get my jacket and grabbed the dog instead. This is Cluckerman.
So, YouTube.
I don't want to be in this. I just wanted to get my sauerkraut so I could snack on it.
Whatever this fucking shit is. You're doing more than me usually on Cooking with Ryan Sobieski.
Clearly she doesn't know how to prepare sauerkraut. Here we go.
Here we go.
Welcome to the Love Den. It's in really good shape. Here's the grill. It's in really good shape.
Char griller.
She fires right on up. She fired right on up here. Now we got the grill warming up. Ready to start the dogs. Here we are.
So we're outside.
Yeah.
It's northeast region. Tell you guys exactly our area, but it's fucking cold. It's fucking cold. Ah!
It's really cold.
It's fucking cold. Welcome to this episode of Chilling My Balls Off. Oh, ready?
She's hot AF.
Do like a rowy type. Rowy type. Rowy type. Rowy type. Once they start plumping, the flosks will start plumping.
There they go. They're all on.
Don't touch that plate.
Daddy loves cigarettes.
Did you drink tonight, dude? So, we're in Scotia, New York. We're We're about to get a huge snowstorm, 12 to 20 inches.
Big ol' nor'easter.
It's freezing dicks out here. We'll get back to you when these hot dogs are nice and plump. 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 Let's take a look, Ski. Oh, we're ready to eat. And we'll be back.
He wanted to study with us.
We got the nice Freihopper hot
Some
dog
nice-
rolls. You're gonna give me the shitty bun?
Dude, you got the shit out of the cocksuckers. I'm busy cooking with Brian Sobieski. Cheese, YouTube. Fucking cheese.
Ooh, I want some cheese. Where's the mustard?
Let's eat. We're filming a cooking show.